everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's bonus video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from pasty white to having a bronzed body. We all know, pretty pasty white. I actually have a pretty good amount of color for me for the summer. If I were to stick myself next to one of my brothers or my parents, I'm still a ghost, but it is what it is. I've always been this way. Don't think anything's ever going to change. So, I like self-tanners. I decided to try a new one. This is the Tan-Luxe Instant Hero Skin Perfector. It is an illuminating wash-off body bronzer, and a huge shout out to Tan-Luxe for sending me this and working with me. And you can purchase this at Ulta, and I will also have a link to it down below. And this is just going to be my first impressions. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is just what the packaging looks like. It looks like a bottle of lotion. It is good for 12 months. It says it right on the back. And in here you get 150 milliliters or 5.07 fluid ounces. Like I said, this is the Tan-Luxe Instant Hero Skin Perfector Illuminating Wash-Off Body Bronzer. And on the back it has directions. I'm gonna go ahead and read the back. It says that this is a revolutionary wash-off 3-in-1 skin perfector body bronzer, an instant tan for a radiant 24-hour glow with zero transfer, no streaks, no smells, no drama, vegan friendly and cruelty free. To apply it, you dispense the product onto arms and legs, buffing in circular motions using the custom sponge applicator, dries within seconds and is water resistant. Color will last up to 24 hours and is instantly removed in the shower. Avoid contact with eyes. If reaction occurs, discontinue use and seek medical advice. And then the warning: this product does not contain a sunscreen and does not protect against sunburn. Repeated exposure of unprotected skin while tanning may increase the risk of skin aging, skin cancer, and other harmful effects to the skin even if you do not burn. And on the bottom, like I said, it does say it is good for 12 months. The container is recyclable. It is made in the UK, and it is also paraben free. So now I'm just gonna open it up, and what I really like is that instead of having to put on a mitt, it comes with the sponge applicator built right into the actual bottle. It doesn't smell like chemicals like most do. Right there, that's just what the product looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my arm, and it just says to go in circular motions. Ooh, I really like this. It is so easy to use. I'm not getting a single streak mark. It's not messy. It blends really nicely, and I'm just gonna keep going. This is definitely my new self-tanner of choice. I love that you don't have to put a mitt on. Like, this is so easy, and it looks so good. It blends so well with your skin. So I don't know how well you guys can tell, but this arm is the one with self-tanner, and it's like on the top portion because of how I was rubbing it all right here. And then this is the arm without tanner. Can you guys even tell? I can definitely tell, and like you can tell between here and here. You can't feel it or anything. It's not coming off onto my hands or anything. It doesn't have a gross smell. It smells nice. It smells like you're wearing like a nice body lotion. I really like this. Now I'm gonna go to the bathroom and see if I can wash it off and see how easy it washes off, and I will be back to you guys in a second. So I am back, and I did wash it off, and it all came off nicely. And I actually took a clip on my phone of what it looks like when you're taking it off that I will go ahead and insert right here. As you guys can see, it is coming off, and what's really nice is it kind of like balls up and peels off, which is nice, and I figured it was worth showing you guys. And the packaging does say it dries quickly, which I can definitely attest to, and that it does come off instantly in the shower, and that it does not transfer, which I tested all of, and you guys saw that it didn't transfer onto my hands. It came off instantly with water, and that it did dry. Something I also want to mention is that it wasn't sticky. I've tried a lot of self-tanners that were like very sticky and gross, and I hate when a self-tanner is sticky and gross. This one, I don't think you ever have to worry about that. I know I personally didn't have any of that feeling. So those are just my first impressions. I really like this. Not to mention, I love the smell. Most self-tanners smell absolutely disgusting. It smells like a garden and just gives off summer vibes. I'll have the link to this down below. Like I said, you can find it at Ulta. And on my rating scale, I'm definitely giving it a 9 out of 10. This is hands down the best self-tanner I've ever used, and that is my honest opinion. And let me tell you, I've used a lot of self-tanners in my life because of how pasty white I am. And now that I've tried this, I definitely want to try a lot more of the Tan-Luxe products. They have a ton of different products to offer for your skin and stuff. So I definitely want to try that out. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!